TON 618 versus the Milky Way. What if they collide? Just hearing the name TON 618 brings to mind the image of a cosmic giant. It's one of the largest black holes ever discovered, with a mass of nearly 66 billion suns. Now, imagine what if, somehow, TON 618 collided with our very own galaxy, the Milky Way. First, it's important to understand that galaxy collisions don't happen in an instant. They unfold over millions or even billions of years. Stars within galaxies usually don't crash into each other because they're so far apart. But at the centers of galaxies, the supermassive black holes do slowly spiral toward each other under their immense gravitational pull. If TON 618 began moving toward the Milky Way, its enormous gravitational force would begin to reshape the very structure of our galaxy. At the heart of the Milky Way is Sagittarius A, a black hole just 4 million times the mass of the Sun, tiny compared to TON 618. Sagittarius A* would be slowly drawn toward TON 618's massive gravity, and eventually the two would collide. Such a collision would unleash violent gravitational waves, rippling across the universe. Gas and dust around both black holes would be shredded and scattered. Thousands of stars could be flung out of the galaxy, and some might be pulled directly into the growing black hole. Our solar system would not escape this cosmic upheaval. The Sun could lose its orbit, and Earth might become unbound, drifting in deep space or possibly swallowed by the black hole. Some scientists theorize that Earth could even cross TON 618's event horizon, vanishing forever. Thankfully, this would happen incredibly slowly over hundreds of millions or billions of years. And by then, humanity might not even exist. The good news: TON 618 is currently about 10.8 billion light-years away and not moving toward us. So, there's no need to worry. This scenario is purely science-based imagination. But it remains a thrilling topic of exploration for future astrophysicists. TON 618 versus the Milky Way, a silent cosmic battle that may never happen, but one that reminds us just how vast, terrifying, and mysterious our universe truly is.